I'm Yaksh Dharod and I'm currently a first year undergrad student at Institute of Chemical Technology, UDCT, Mumbai. I completed my IGCSE in 2022 and I gave subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology, additional mathematics, English, ICT, and travel and tourism. After giving my AS and A levels, I went to appear for competitive exams like Joint Entrance Exam, Mains and Advanced, MHT CET. After scoring well, I was offered many options and seat into institutes like National Institute of Technology, but I had the passion for chemistry and technology, so that's why I chose Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. The whole academic preparation was done by me. I didn't take any other extra coaching classes and I totally relied upon the teachers of my school and the Cambridge curriculum. The Cambridge curriculum is designed in such a way that every student can easily complete the required syllabus material for these entrance exams. So subjects like further mathematics share the same syllabus as first year engineering mathematics. The skills which I have developed in subjects like physics and chemistry are helping me to tackle real life problems in today's world, as I have recently designed a solution for the derailment problem and I have presented it to the Indian Railways. So I am always passionate about chemicals. Using my knowledge from IGCSE, Cambridge AS and A levels and my present institute, I plan on starting my own chemical industry and be a successful entrepreneur.